The last thing we're going to do here is look at a way to estimate deviations in terms of histograms. What we want to do is estimate the standard deviation for the data sets using their graphs. So in that first case, we can see that all of those have the same value, which means that if we talk about things in terms of the mean and distance from them, that is in terms of deviations, there isn't going to be any change. They're always just going to be the same. And if all of the data values are the same, there is no deviation. So the standard deviation, the normal one, the average one, would be 0. So S would be 0. In the second case, those two peaks, as it were, represent two groups of data that are both around that mean of 4. And they're both the same distance away from the mean of 4. So if we're going to think about what would happen in terms of a standard deviation there, the change would always be plus or minus 1. So standardizing that, we would get a value likely about 1. And then in the last case, we have values that are either 1 or 3 away from that mean in the middle again of 4, where because they're always about 1 or 3 away, plus or minus as it were, we would expect the standard deviation to be about 2, and with a bit more work, I think we'd end up getting a standard deviation of about 2.2. But that's the idea there, is looking at our picture, we can build an estimate, understanding what it is that the standard deviation is meant to measure. And that's it for the semester. This is our very last thing. I'm going to make some more recordings for our classes. I may make some review stuff as we get closer to the end, but this is the last video of original material, as it were, that I'm going to make. So I want to say to everyone who's watching, thanks for sticking around. I know it's been a long semester, a weird semester, a very difficult semester for reasons that had nothing to do with class, and I appreciate all the work that you put in to stick around this far. I hope that as much as possible, this has been an informative semester for you in this class, if not necessarily an enjoyable one, though hopefully it has at least been enjoyable in spurts. But anyway, good luck with your last few assignments for this class. Good luck with the exams you may have to take here. And good luck with whatever other classes you have to deal with over the next couple of weeks. I know it's a busy time with these last few, but hopefully everyone comes out well. It's been a pleasure working with you, and if I don't see you again before the end of the semester, which may happen, or if you're watching this around the time of finals to finish preparing, good luck finishing up, and have a nice break.